Stand up and stand up. Yes, yes. It's good. Good, good, good.
Honestly, how many of you all feel like this after bra shopping? Hi guys, Ashel here from Brazinga Lingerie, here with another before and after bra fit video. Believe it or not, when she came through our doors, she was not looking like this. This client came in thinking she was a 42 double D bra. As you can see, her bra is giving her zero support. And her boobs are sitting on her tummy, making her look bigger than she actually is. On top of that, when she lifts up her boobs to where they should be, you can see breast tissue falling out from underneath, meaning the band is far too big for her.
It does not look good.
And here she is again, wearing a 34J bra. Her breasts are in a different position, higher up, sitting on her ribcage and not on her abdomen, making her look smaller, like if she's instantly lost weight. She has a great silhouette, and most importantly, she's getting the lift and support that she deserves, and no breast tissue is popping out underneath. And for those of you wondering what bra she was wearing when we started this video, I'm happy to tell you, it's the Luxe Strapless Bra. Because ladies, when you get a strapless bra in your correct band size and cup size, this is what happened.
I want that.
So if you're looking at this video and thinking, my boobs kind of look like a before, then do yourself a favor and book a free professional bra fitting with us today. Did we mention it was free? It's free, so what is your excuse?